Welcome to QiYoga with LuChin. Today we will be practicing a few classic Qigong movements to improve the flow of Qi, to balance the stomach and the spleen. The stomach and the spleen are a channel pair. They are yin and yang to each other. These movements are great for promoting good digestion, for improving overall health. If you just ate, please wait for about 30 minutes before this practice. But for the abdominal breathing and the massaging, which are part of the practice, that can be done anytime. And now let's get started. Begin standing, feet hip width, knees slightly bent. Stack your hands over your navel. For female, left over right. For male, right over left. And relax your hips, relax your shoulders. Bring up that joyful smile. Your feet is firm as if roots are growing into the ground, connecting to the earth element. Close your eyes and then bring your awareness to your center. Notice the gentle rise and falls of your stomach as you engaged in your abdominal breathing. Inhale, slowly and fully expand your stomach, pushing into your hands. Long exhale, drawing the navel towards your spine. Breathing in, your diaphragm moves down. Breathing out, your diaphragm comes up. Your mind is observing this process, getting oxygen into your whole abdominal area. Let energy fill the entire cavity of your abdominal. Slowly massage your abdominal clockwise 9 times. Massage slow. Cover your lower abdomen. And now, massage counterclockwise 9 times. Bring your hands down, but as if you're holding an energy ball in front of you, lower dantian. Prepare to practice the healing sound for the spleen, the sound of a The vibration generated by this sound stimulates better qi flow in the spleen. The way to sound it out is much like blowing a candle. Emphasize the Let's do this together. Take a breath in. As you breathe out, inflate your belly, sound it out, and flow your hands away, bending the knees a bit more. Inhale, hands closer to the belly. Exhale, send it out. Release all the turbid qi. Sound is vibration, and vibration generates energy. Gather hands in front of your lower abdominal. Prepare for separating earth and heaven to condition the stomach and the spleen. We will do this movement 6 times. Breathing in, flow your hands up. Breathing out, separate the hands as the left palm pressing up, fingers pointing to the right, and the right palm pressing down, fingers pointing forward. And slowly bring the arms back. Observe a full cycle of breath. Alternate the arms and then repeat. Fully stretch across your abdominal and the spleen as you are standing tall, separating heaven and earth. This flow movement conditions the stomach and the spleen, promotes nutrient absorption and good digestion. This is from the famous 8 brocades QiGong practice. It has been around for 900 plus years. One more time. Slowly come back. Repeat the healing sound 6 times. For the healing effect, the sound to be low, slow, vibrating, and penetrating. Feel that Adam's apple is going downward when you sound it out. Each time, allow all breath and the sound out. Then take a full cycle of breath before sending the healing sound out once again. This is so good for the function of the stomach. The stomach is the roots of the organs and the seeds of qi and the blood. Come back to center. Stack your palms. Feel the gentle vibration in your stomach and your spleen. Begin to massage your stomach in a circular motion. Gradually increase the circle to cover a bigger area. This is Mofu, a classic life-nourishing practice which has been written in many ancient texts. It helps stimulate the gastrointestinal motility, so it is great for the digestive health. You can do this any time of the day. It is very good if you do it right after you eat. Make loose fists. Gently tap just below your rib cages for 36 times. On the left side is your spleen. Cup your kneecaps, in particular the lateral side of the knees, where the Zusanli point or the stomach 36 is located. Zusanli is a master point on the stomach Yangming meridian, a powerful point for healing and longevity. Come back to center. Stack your palms over your lower dantian. Slow and gentle breathing. And notice how your body feels. Friends, thank you for taking time to practice with me. I hope you enjoyed our QiGong for digestive health. Try to make this a daily routine. Let me know how it goes for you. Like the video and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take good care of yourself.